Durga Puja celebrations have commenced in Meghalaya. The puja starts on the first day itself and continues till the ninth day. In Shillong, a procession pool patti was taken out from Gorkha Durga Mandir, Garikhana, Shillong. The specialty of this procession is that women participated in it in large numbers. Bali is planted along with the Kalash Tapana. The palanquin of the mother is decorated with flowers and worshipped for 3 days. In Nongpo, the same fervour was witnessed in Ram Mandir and Sri Sri Ma Kali Mandir. The secretary of Ram Mandir, Muneshwar Singh, said that the Hindu community in Ribhoi has expressed their joy and happiness to celebrate this Durga Puja without any disturbance, and all the Hindu community was much happier that they could offer prayer to honour Goddess Durga.